When making your cellophane mask at home, before your microneedling appointment, you take a square piece of cellophane and fold it in half. And near the bottom, you'll cut out a triangle, and this will be for your mouth. Then you'll go up about 3/4 of an inch to an inch and make an upward cut, and that will be for your nose. And then a little bit further up, about 1.5 to 2 inches up, you'll fold it in half, and you'll make another triangle, and this will be for the eye area. So when you're finished, you will open it up. And you will have your 2 eyes, a slit for the nose, and your mouth. When applying your EMLA cream at home before your microneedling appointment, you want to apply a very thick layer. It shouldn't be rubbed in, it should be able to be seen on the surface of the skin in a solid white layer. I use a brush, but you can use your finger. It should look about like that.